In today's video, I'll show you how to use Surfshark VPN on your mobile device while in China to safely bypass internet restrictions and access blocked websites. As you probably know, China's internet is heavily restricted by what's known as the Great Firewall. It blocks access to thousands of foreign websites like Google, YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and even ChatGPT. The purpose is to control information and limit what users inside China can see online. That's where a VPN like Surfshark comes in. It encrypts your traffic, hides your IP address, and helps you access the open internet securely. Click the link in the description to try Surfshark VPN at a great price. Before traveling to China, it's very important that you download and set up Surfshark in advance. Most VPN websites and app stores are blocked once you're inside China, so having it ready beforehand will save you a lot of trouble. Once you've installed Surfshark on your mobile, log into your account. Now, to connect safely in China, there are a few key settings you should know about. First, enable No Borders mode. This feature automatically detects network restrictions and shows a list of servers that work best under China's firewall. It's designed specifically for regions with heavy censorship. You can find this option in the app settings. Next, make sure you're using the OpenVPN protocol. This protocol includes obfuscation, which makes your VPN traffic look like regular internet traffic, helping it blend in and avoid detection. You can select it under the VPN Protocols section in Surfshark settings. It's also a good idea to enable camouflage mode, which works alongside OpenVPN to make your VPN usage nearly invisible to monitoring systems. For added protection, turn on Kill Switch. This ensures that if your VPN connection drops unexpectedly, your internet connection will stop completely, preventing any data from leaking out. Once those settings are configured, tap on Connect. Surfshark will connect you to the best available server. You can also choose a specific country manually, like the United States, the Netherlands, or Japan, whichever works best for your browsing needs. After connecting, your traffic will be encrypted and routed securely through Surfshark servers. You'll now be able to access blocked platforms such as Google, YouTube, Instagram, or WhatsApp, just like you would outside China. Keep in mind that VPN performance in China can vary, as the Great Firewall is constantly adapting. If one server doesn't work, switch to another or re-enable No Borders mode for updated options. Surfshark continuously updates its infrastructure to stay ahead of censorship systems, but no VPN can guarantee perfect access at all times. Finally, remember that VPNs are not illegal in China, but their use is restricted. The government primarily targets unauthorized local VPN providers, not foreign travelers using them privately for secure communication or work. Still, use your VPN responsibly and avoid sharing political or sensitive content online. So, that's how you can connect and use Surfshark VPN on your mobile phone in China to safely bypass restrictions and access the open internet. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try Surfshark for yourself and get access to all premium features at a discounted price.